This video is sponsored by AnyTrans. Easily transfer all of your data to your new iPhone from your old iPhone with one click. You can do the same with an Android device. Transfer all of your data from your Android device to your new iPhone. Also, with one click, you can now back up your device to your computer, and you can also use the new feature Air Backup that allows you to back up your device without even connecting it to the computer. Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and we're talking about the new iPhones that have just been announced by Apple, the iPhone XS and the XS Max. So let's talk about the top 5 features of these new iPhones. Being that this is the S year for the iPhone, there are not a lot of changes, but of course there are a lot of improvements. And the first thing we're talking about is the all-new A12 chip, 7nm chip that Apple has designed for these new iPhones. And as shown on the preview by Apple, that chip is really powerful and it can do amazing stuff. The next feature we're talking about is the new camera. So this camera has the same 12 megapixel sensor, but this sensor now is faster. Also, it can take smart HDR pictures. That's really amazing. And also now with the portrait mode, you can actually adjust the depth of field after you have taken the picture. So when you take a picture with portrait mode, you know that blur that you get behind you, you can adjust the amount of that blur using this new feature of the new camera of the iPhone XS. And then there's also the dual SIM option, so you can now have 2 different SIMs, 2 different numbers on your iPhone XS. One will be a normal SIM card and the other one will be an eSIM. So that's an electronic SIM that you can get on your new iPhone. And also there's a new option now for 512 gigabytes of storage on your iPhone that wasn't there before. The most we got was 256. Now you can have double that on your new iPhone XS. And last but not least is also the new color, the gold iPhone XS and the XS Max. They look really amazing. That gold and black combination really looks stunning. So these are the top 5 features, the new features of the new iPhone XS and the XS Max. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys on the next one.